guns, I'm back, baby.
I'm back.
40, I'm back, baby.
I'm back.
I'm back, baby.
I'm back.
Yeah, I'm back, baby.
I'm back.
Yeah. I'm tatted like hieroglyphics, I'm shining like diamond districts. I done raided courtrooms in the A. Like Brian Nicholas, I was shooting out the fan and reminds you behind the Civics just to try to ease the pain. No corridors, amoxicillins. I could tell you about the weight like I'm a dietitian. How I been on my bullshit, Scottie Pippen. Sold out, niggas slept on me, narcoleptics. To this day, I'm still begging for my God forgiveness. Blinded vision, foggy lenses, and heart is missing. Dark intentions, Yu-Gi-Oh, dark magician. Pocket wrenches, let it bark, fuck car pretenders. Dodging trepids, let it lodge in your large intestines. Get a joint to your bitch if you're brought authentic. Niggas acting like bitches cause they argumentative. They tear me out of the tears inside them, that's periodic. He wanna poke them, open them up like staring columns. I'm back, baby.
I'm back.
Yeah, I'm back, baby.
I'm back.
Yeah, I'm back, baby.
I'm back.
Yeah, I'm back, baby.
I'm back.
Roll, I'm back, baby.
I'm back.
I'm back, baby. I'm back, baby. No Amari Dawn. When I say I had to stomp the yard 5 years straight when other niggas got R&R, shaking the Parmesan from Queens like Molly Mall. I'm right where the hustlers be, I'm right where the farmers farm. I'm walking down the block with a badass Barbie doll, praying to Father God, I'm saying my heart is called. See mom, daughter ball, watching for waterfalls. I'm riding in Ford Explorers, shooting like Pulgasol. To niggas is Tomb Raiders like Angelina Laura Cross. Don't care about quarter laws, drugs through the portal door. Remember the hand in hands, remember the door to doors, remember the prison cells, remember the corner stores, remember the packages, remember the phone was off.